How to see and find your bookmarks on Quora app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to see your bookmarks on Quora app easy and fast. So all what you have to do, go to Quora app and now go to the top corner and click on your profile picture right here. After you click on your profile picture, you will find many options here. Choose the bookmarks option. And right here, you will find your bookmarks easy and fast. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching.